In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete transaction history on PayPal. Before we get into the clicks, it's important to understand how PayPal treats your records. PayPal does not let you delete individual transactions from your activity. That's by design. As a regulated financial service, they must keep a complete audit trail to meet banking and anti-fraud rules and to help resolve disputes. So if you were hoping to remove a single payment from your log, there isn't a button for that. What you can do, however, is choose from two broader options if you truly need your history removed. The first is to close your PayPal account entirely. The second is to submit a formal data deletion request to PayPal. Both options are permanent and affect your whole account, not just a few entries. Once completed, you'll lose access to your activity and profile data, and if you want to use PayPal again, you'll need to open a new account from scratch. If requesting data deletion is the right path for you, here's how to start that process inside your account. Begin by going to the PayPal website and signing in with your credentials. After you're in, look to the top right corner for your profile icon and open Profile Settings from the menu. In the Settings area, find the section labeled Data and Privacy. This is where PayPal groups tools that govern what happens to your information. Choose the option that says Delete Your Data. When that page loads, select Create Request to initiate the deletion workflow. You'll be asked to confirm that you want to proceed. Click Yes. Continue to submit it. At this point, PayPal will review and process your request. You won't see your information disappear instantly. Instead, you'll receive a confirmation once the deletion has been completed on their end. Processing times can vary, and availability of certain options may differ by country or account type, so keep an eye on your email and your account notifications for updates. A quick reminder before you decide, PayPal enforces strict data retention policies to protect users and comply with the law. Make sure this choice truly aligns with your needs. If you simply want to hide or organize your view, consider exporting statements for your records and filtering your activity rather than removing it permanently. That's it for today. If you found this helpful, give the video a like and subscribe for more clear, actionable PayPal tips and tutorials.